What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about legendary rapper DMX. HBO released their official trailer for the upcoming DMX documentary set to premiere on Thanksgiving. Rapper Jadakiss, Jay-Z and more reunited the DMX new documentary premiere and showed big love and respect to late DMX. One of the scenes in the documentary sees DMX talking to a group of young men on a street corner in Yonkers. One of them cries in front of DMX, who managed to connect with him. The director said the stranger opened up to him because of the values the New York rapper exposed. DMX wasn't afraid to show emotion. DMX was one of the first rappers who wasn't talking about cars and girls. He was talking about pain. He was talking about struggle, and on a big platform, he wasn't afraid to cry. That's part of the human experience. Meanwhile, DMX was nominated posthumously for a Grammy for Best Rap Song with Both Salts featuring Nas and Jay-Z. Also, rapper Jadakiss today went to his social media page and shared the videos and posts. You can check it out on the screen. What's up, New York? You know, I had to do it for my hometown. Thank you, HBO Max, for having me a part of this event to celebrate the launch of Saint in Black, captions Jadakiss. An upcoming HBO documentary on DMX life called Don't Try to Understand will focus on 1-year sentence for felony tax evasion. The documentary is set to reveal the truth behind DMX's career, from his drug addiction to criminal past and the way he dealt with money. DMX Don't Try to Understand debuted Thursday, November 25. So it was all, guys. Thank you for watching. It's your channel YTV. If you like the videos and content, subscribe the channel. Also get the notification bells. And don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.